turn that down a bit. Okay, there, better. Audio test. New Rowa wireless mics, lapel mics, lavalier mics, whatever you want to call them. So it's just an audio test. See how this one works. This is a channel. I'm not exactly sure which one it is, but we'll walk through here a little bit, do an audio test, and then I'll go to another second mic and see how that works. And if I continue to have time, I will do a boom mic test also. But this is just the mud, and I'm doing this for audio purposes, so no other reason than to have something on film other than just listening to me mumble, excuse me. A little bit of wind noise. Don't have a dead cat yet for the wireless mics, so I turned it down a little bit. That cut the wind. Also helped getting out of the wind a little bit too. Got my back toward it. Alright, hold on one second and I'll go to the second mic. Boy, that one kicked up real quick. Sounds a little bit better. Same thing though, my back is to the wind. It is real breezy here today. Yeah, you can hear it pick up on the mic there. Kind of like that mic a little bit better. It's not quite as windy, but it might be mic placement. I'm wearing both mics. But it picks up, even picks up whispers. Very good. Directional. They're both pointed at my face. All right. Thank you. Bye.